Now see some cases of the dot product of two vectors. Dot product of vector A and B is written AB cos theta. If you are taking theta is equal to 0, it means vector A and vector B are parallel to each other. So we know it cos 0 is 1, so we can write A dot B is equal to AB. And suppose you take unit vectors, so we can write like I dot I cap dot I cap is equal to j cap dot j cap, k cap dot k cap is equal to 1. If you are taking theta is equal to 90 degree, you can write vector A dot vector B is equal to 0 because cos 90 is equal to 0. You can take the example is here I cap j cap is equal to j cap dot k cap is equal to I cap dot k cap is equal to 0. So, this one is equal to 1, and if you are taking these two perpendicular unit vectors, their dot product is 0. Let us see another case. A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. If you have taken theta is equal to 180, so cos 180 is minus 1, so you can write vector A dot vector B is equal to minus AB. Now, there are certain basic properties of this dot product of two vectors. First one is A dot B is equal to vector B dot vector A. That means here they are obeying commutative property. And also dot product of two vectors shows distributive property, that is vector A dot vector B plus vector C, that can be written A dot B plus A dot C. This is a distributive property. And also third one we can take here, if you multiply two vectors, two same vectors, you will be getting here A cos 0, that is A square. So, these are the some basic properties of the dot product of two vectors. Let us see some examples or the questions based on the dot product of two vectors. So, before doing examples or questions, let us do dot product of two vectors in Cartesian coordinates. Suppose you have got vector A is equal to AXI cap plus AYJ cap plus AZ k cap. Similarly, you have taken vector B is equal to Bxi cap plus Byj cap plus Bz k cap. So, if you are multiplying here taking the dot product of these two, you can write Axi cap plus Ayj cap plus Az k cap dot Bxi cap plus Byj cap plus Bz k cap. If you multiply this thing is, I dot I is 1, so Ax and Bx, that is Ax Bx plus. If you multiply Ax to these two j and k, you will be getting 0 because I dot j or I dot k is equal to 0. So, here you can write Ay and By plus Az and Bz. So, this is the dot product of two vectors A and B. Now, see, for what value of m, the vector A is equal to this 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap is perpendicular to vector B is equal to 3i cap minus mj cap plus 6k cap. Here these two vectors are perpendicular, so we can write A dot B is equal to AB cos theta, where theta is equal to 90. So, we can write vector A dot vector B is equal to 0 because cos 90 is 0. So, here 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap dot 3i cap minus mj cap plus 6k cap is equal to 0. If you multiply here, this is 3 into 2, that is 6 plus 3 into minus m plus minus 6 into 6 is equal to 0. That is 6 minus 3m minus 36 is equal to 0. So, minus 3m is equal to 30. So, m is equal to minus 10. So, this is the answer for this. Now, see in this example, vector A is equal to I plus 2j minus k cap and vector B is equal to minus I plus I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Now, we have to get the angle between the two vectors. So, you know it, vector A dot vector B is equal to AB cos theta. Cos theta is equal to vector A dot vector B divided by AB. So, now vector A dot vector B, that is I cap plus 2j minus k cap dot minus I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap divided by, that is your magnitude of these two vectors. So, 1 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 square under root of minus 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square. Now, this is here, if you multiply, this is minus 1 plus 2 divided by under root of 6, 4 plus 2 6, 4 plus 2 6 under root of 6, and then we can write it here 3 divided by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. So, now cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So, or theta is equal to 60 degree.